Miss Ada here. Welcome to Global Village Montessori online lesson time. I hope you're all doing well today. Today we are going to review our sandpaper letters. And let's get started. Now my friends, let me ask, what letter is this? You're right. Letter S. What sound does letter S make? S. Let's do it together one more time. S. Very good. Now, are you ready to trace the letter S with Miss Ada? Great. Write it in the sand together. S. Can you think of any words that begin with the letter S or begin with the sound S? S. Sun. Sip. Socks. S for sun. S for sip. S for socks. Now let's practice writing the letter S in our notebooks. Ready? S. Great. Did you write your letter S in your notebook? That's great. Now, can you find this worksheet? Look for the letter S. Let's look for the letter S here, and we're going to circle it. Do you see any letter S here? That's right. Here is one. Let's circle it. And I can see an uppercase S here. Here's another one. Is this a letter S? No. What about this one? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Another one. Do you see any more? What about this one? No. Yes, this one is. And I can see the last one somewhere here. Can you spot it? That's correct. The letter S is here. Did you circle all your letter S on this worksheet? That's great. Now, for the friends who are able to write the three-letter words, please take out this worksheet and let's work on the three-letter words blending. Now write your name here first. Once you finish writing your name, let's get started. What do you see in this picture here? That's right, it's a cat. Can you say the name cat? Now listen carefully to the sound that the word cat makes. Cat. K, k, k. T, k, at. Cat. Did you write the word cat? Great. Now let's move on to the next one. Box. Box. What do you hear in the word box? That's correct. We first hear b. B. What do you hear next? Box. B. O. 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 What's the ending sound or the last sound that you hear? Box. X, x. That's right. X. B. O. X. Box. This is a pig. P, p, p. What comes after the p sound? That's right. I. Pig. That's right. The last sound is g. P, I, g. Pig. Next, what number is this? That's number 10. Listen carefully to the sounds of the word 10 that makes. 10. T, t, t. 10. Eh, eh, eh. 10. T, eh, 10. This is a bug. Bug. B, b, b. G. B, g. Bug. That's right. This is a bat. Bat. B, b, b. A. T, t, t. B, a, t. Bat. What is this? That's right, it's a fox. Fox. O, o, o. X, x, x. O, x. Fox. This is a cup. Cup. K, k, k. P, k, p. Cup. Last, we have the number 6. 6. I. X, x, s, I, x, 6. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the experience, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.